continuing coverage of COVID-19, some health experts are arguing that the decision to pause use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is the wrong call.
Johnson & Johnson's vaccine remains paused as the CDC's advisory panel looks into the rare cases of blood clots reported in 6 women, postponing making a decision about its use until more information is available.
I'm definitely in favor of a pause because the true incidence of this condition may be revealed now that we've had so many more doses administered.
Some medical experts, like Dr. Ashish Jha, Dean of Brown University School of Public Health, criticizing the advisory committee's decision, tweeting, "We're in a pandemic. Short pause to alert folks is reasonable. Waiting when it's unlikely to change what we know is not." In 23 states, daily deaths have risen by 10% over the last week. Dr. Fauci telling Congress today, we are at a critical turning point.
We are in a race between vaccinating as many people as we possibly can and the threat of the resurgence of viruses.
The highly rare blood clots identified in 6 women out of about 7 million who received the J&J vaccine all were between 18 and 48 and felt sick within 2 weeks of receiving the shot. So far, there's no firm link between the vaccine and clots, but none of the women had known clotting disorders before.
Jointly, CDC and FDA were able to identify these rare events and act quickly to alert healthcare providers and the public.
The pause impacts nearly 7,000 locations in the country. That's 1 out of every 4 vaccination sites where Johnson & Johnson was the only shot being administered, leaving people scrambling for Pfizer and Moderna shots.
The statistics were so low for someone like myself to get, the blood clotting they were talking about and all that. I was willing to take the risk anyway.
Pfizer CEO now says a 3rd COVID vaccine will likely be needed within 12 months and possibly annual booster shots. Zoreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.